Ubuntu is getting monthly snapshot releases. Does that mean they're going to be doing a rolling release model? Well, a lot of people are asking that question, and the answer is no. It does not mean that at all. In fact, these are just development milestone releases, not regular releases. So Ubuntu is introducing these monthly snapshots starting already. The first one's already out, and this is for development milestones. So Snapshot 1, Snapshot 2, etc. are going to be released for the next version of Ubuntu, which is 25.10, questing Quokka. So the 6-month cycle and the 2-year cycle for LTSs are still going to be the standard way that they're being released. This is aimed at more enhancing release testing, not replacing the formal releases. So the timeline for these snapshot releases is as follows. So the Snapshot 1 is already out. Snapshot 2 is going to be out on June 10th. July 15th will be the Snapshot 3, and then Snapshot 4 will be on August 19th. And then they're going to transition to the traditional way of the beta and the final release. They've always been doing a beta for like a month ahead of time, but not always a month, usually like a few weeks or so. And then you'd be able to do the testing then. So this is making it possible to do more testing than just that one instance. So the current process is manual, not easily accessible to testers, and slow to detect blockers because they only have the one beta, or some people who do the daily testing. That's not necessarily things that are ready to be testing. It's just stuff moving constantly and trying it at a particular time. So that's just like random people choosing random times to do testing. So this is an interesting way of doing this because they're making it more accessible for people to do the testing who want to. They're also going to be doing a lot of automating. So Canonical is leveraging Temporal, a durable execution platform, and the goal is to build automated Go-based workflows, Go as in the Go language, to replace manual release checklists. And the focus will be to have a transparent, repeatable, and testable release system that doesn't depend on the deep institutional knowledge. That basically means that people having to already know how to do stuff or knowing people who have the information to get it. So they're going to be able to handle more complex, long-running workflows across Ubuntu's infrastructure, make releases more resilient to failures, easier to monitor, and less reliant on human intervention with this automation system. Now, one of the things that Ubuntu said that they wanted to do with this process is to make releases become boring, but in a good way, like the best kind of boring, stable, reliable, and predictable. The new snapshot approach is being developed in the open and with Canonical hiring to support it. So they're actually hiring people to support this process. And the end goal is to have a faster, safer, more community engaged releases benefiting the devs, testers, and of course, the users.